dito sa Walang Tulugan,
Ano
binisita
meron?
tayo ng magagandang actress.
Oh.
Na hindi lamang magaling sa pag-arte, kundi syempre magaling din silang kumanta.
Ang ibig mo sabihin, ito na naman ang momentum na maiinggit si Shalala.
Ito na
At
naman yun.
magtataas na naman ang kilay.
Dahil malilikit at sundeo ang ating
Magaganda ka mo.
Yes, correct. Anyway, promoting their third and biggest concert on December 18 at the Music Museum entitled Babae. Stronger.
Ayan ang mga totoong babae.
Yan ang mga totoong
Hindi
babae.
Shalala, ano yan.
That's right, Kuya Germs. Here are Shira Valdez, Glenda Garcia, Jenny Umali, and Lovely Rivera.
Go, go, go!
Have been for so long, you are a friend of mine. The faith is all you'll ever be. I've loved you ever since you are a friend of mine. The faith is all you ever could be. You tell me things I've never known. I'll show you love you never shown. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you've had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, I'm glad. I'll give you all my life. You are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I've loved you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. We know the friends are more we ever could be. Tell me things I've never known. I'll show you all you never shown. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you've had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, I'm glad. You tell me things I've never known. I'll show you love you never show. Then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again. Then again, but then again, I'm glad.
Alright! Tignan mo naman itong mga babaeng ito talaga, oh.
Hello, lovely Glenda and Shira.
Hello!
Hi, lovely.
Hello! Nako, yan ang gusto ko rin sa mga babaeng ito. Hindi natupag yung mga chismisan dito, chismisan doon, ano? Di ba? Gumawa sila ng grupo para magsama-sama sila.
And this is our third
concert,
yes.
major concert.
Lagi naman din kami nagpo-promote dito siya sa Kuya Germs. Always very
Supportive.
accommodating and
Hey, go pa, kasi namin.
Thank you so much.
Mga anak,
Kuya Germs, wala ka napapansin. Parang
Kuya Germs,
Parang
oh,
nilagaluhan nila ako dito. Parang interno ako sa iyo, green.
Sana ganyan din ang katawan ko, kaya lang medyo, I'm sorry to tell you.
Kaya pagkagawan ka rin namin ang exercise mo.
Parang may naglilihi yata sa akin eh.
Alam mo,
Yung nagdadalang tao sa akin yung binigay, para ako nagdadalang tao eh.
kailangan nila salamatan daw si Jeep yan.
Oo.
Kailangan si
Kuya
Jeep
Germs
yan.
magganito ka rin. Nakakadaya yan.
O, hindi,
Kuya Germs, pagkagawa ka namin talagang para sa'yo.
hindi pagkatapos niya, bigay ko sa akin yan, gagamitin ko muna.
Oo.
Kapag Kuya Germs, pwede namin yung
sa amin.
para mas kasya sa'yo.
Yes, pag pinagsama-sama sa iba-iba na po kulay nito.
O, yan ba pinunta niyo rito, o pag-usapan na
is going to be on December 18.
December
at
18.
Music Museum.
Wow.
Nakita ko na, naka-announce na doon, ano?
Nakita namin ang museum. Yes.
Music Museum, 9 o'clock po in the evening. Of course, under the musical direction of
Elmer Blancaflor.
and choreographed by Miss Vivian
Blancaflor.
You mean to say you sing and dance?
Yes.
Wow!
Tutunay din sa alambre, meron ding sasayaw sa lamesa. O yan.
Oh, diba?
Surprise yan.
Abangan niyo po ang pagsayaw ni Glenda Garcia.
Lamesa.
May mga
Oh,
lip
diba?
sync ba ito? Ayan.
Actually, lahat kaabang.
Oo, kaabang-abang talaga.
Paano yung binuo yung grupo nyo?
Para po pelikula nila, magkaibigan din po kami, person.
Buhay.
Real life.
Way back.
Walang lalaki dyan sa show na yan, puro babae.
Wala, puro ka. Meron po yung director.
Siyempre, meron po kaming guest sa aming show.
Gusto niyo ng fake? Meron kami rito. Yun, no? Dalawa.
Nakaka-insecure po kasi. Nakaka-insecure si Shalala.
Kasama po namin ang governor ng Dinagat Island, Governor J.
Cleo, na napakagaling kumanta
Yes.
pala, Kuya Gerald Sumayaw.
And of course, Miss Rachel Lobango.
Ang fire dance naman.
Wow.
Talagang iba-iba yung
Parang
flavor
maraming
ng show.
gagawin dito sa
Baka,
concert.
anong oras kayo mag-umpisa?
9 o'clock po, don't forget.
Ay,
9 o'clock.
Kuya Gerald, sana makanood ka na this time.
Baka matulad na kayo walang tulugan sa dami nyo, no?
Walang tatalo sa walang tulugan. Lalo na po sa mga North Carolina.
Ayan, ang mga
Panalo, walang tulugan.
Paris, sabi mo kay Running Weekend, sana?
Yes.
Panoorin natin ito.
Oh,
Papanoorin natin yan.
Of course, this show is for the benefit of the Jade Ecleo Roman Foundation and Sikap Bata Foundation.
Meron pa sa salamatan.
Share meron.
At saka yung sponsors po namin,
Ah.
Oriental Synergy Mining Corporation, Alcatel Mobile Phone, Cherry Card, Otis. Ayan.
Ayun. Oh,
And meron pa si Mr. Larry Pagawitan and Mr. Billy Braza and Mr. Michael Chen.
Ganda
Thank you
ng
so
coding ko
much.
nyo, listahan. Listahan, ano?
Let's not also forget. Let's not also forget.
Para mo mamamalengke kayo, listay nyo na yun.
Sorry. That's okay. Let's not also forget our producer, Miss Emily Mercado Coronel.
Yes.
Thank you so much for producing us again. We would also like to thank our sponsor, Benefit Salon, Basic Skincare, and Apaneto Pizzeria Restaurante.
And Louis Salazar for our outfit.
Yes, thank you, Louie.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbisita sa amin. Siyempre, hindi kayo aalis ng walang mga regalo.
Actually, yun yung nakakabang.
And syempre,
dito dahil dyan, ang dami namin inuuwi.
Teka, bago yung regalo, yung tickets namin pala.
Oh, yes.
Sa Music Museum. At saka, Music Museum na lang, no? Kasi hindi namin memorize yung isang number. But anyway, dun sa mga makakakita ng posters namin, you can check out the numbers also.
Good luck. Good luck. Hope to see you all there. Thank you for inviting us.
Yan, walang pakailaman. Puro babae yan, ano po. Pero pwede manood ng lalaki, ha? Ha?
Ay, maraming nanonood na lalaki.
Para masarap yung show eh.
Oh, sige. Calling all boys and all girls. No? But I'm not calling for Shalala. Okay? Sige.
Pag-supply na ba natin? December 18, babae, stronger. Please do watch us. Thank you.
Music Museum.
We'll be right back.